Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a diagram in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly add clear, professional diagrams or flowcharts to your Confluence pages, whether you want to start from a handy template or build your own from the ground up. This is going to help you communicate your ideas visually, streamline your documentation, and make your pages a lot more engaging for your team. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about quickly adding a diagram to your page. Once you're editing your Confluence page, simply start by typing /diagram, that's right into the editor. As soon as you do this, Confluence springs into action and opens up a new browser window or sometimes a pop-up. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to load. That's totally normal, especially if it's your first time or your connection's a bit slow. Now, once this window appears, Confluence doesn't just give you a blank canvas. You actually get a library of ready-made diagrams to choose from. Think of it like walking into a store and seeing several models of flowcharts, org charts, and network diagrams, all designed for you and just waiting to be customized. You can browse through and find the template that most closely matches the process or workflow you need to visualize. For instance, if you're mapping out a team's decision-making process, you might pick a simple flowchart. If you're organizing a project structure, maybe an org chart is your best bet. The great thing here is that these templates are fully editable. Just click into any shape, add or change the text, move things around or change the connections, make it fit your specific needs. It's as easy as editing a PowerPoint slide, and you don't need any advanced technical skills. Templates are a real time saver, so if you're looking to create a diagram quickly or you're not sure where to start, this is a fantastic option. But what if you want a bit more creative control, or maybe your diagram is truly unique and doesn't quite fit any of the templates? That's where the whiteboard feature comes in. Back on your page, simply type /whiteboard, so whiteboard, and Confluence pulls up a clean blank space where you can make a diagram entirely from scratch. Imagine this as your digital whiteboard. Everything starts fresh, and you get to draw, connect, and label things exactly as you want. This is perfect if you're brainstorming ideas with your team, mapping out a process that's still evolving, or maybe working on a really custom chart. Don't feel intimidated by the blank space. Confluence's whiteboard gives you all the drawing tools you'll need, like shapes, arrows, text boxes, and even sticky notes if you want to add quick thoughts. You can drag and drop elements, connect them, resize, and color code. It's super flexible. If you make a mistake, just undo. It's very forgiving, so don't be afraid to experiment or sketch out a rough version before you polish it up. The key here is that you're not limited by templates. You can build something as simple or as complex as you want and really express your ideas your way, so there you have it. Whether you prefer to modify a handy template in the diagram browser or start fresh with a blank whiteboard, Confluence makes diagramming really approachable for everyone. Next time you need to explain a process, coordinate a team structure, or brainstorm new ideas, give these tools a try. You'll find your pages are not only clearer but much more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Got questions on diagrams, or maybe you have your own tips to share? Drop a comment below. I always read and reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Confluence tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.